Hey, it's Antichamber from the Vex Forum. Today, I just spent about an hour doing something. I got one of these display modules. This was previously attached to here and had a backlight. And as you can see, I've wired all the wires that are connected to the display from there, and then onto the actual display module itself, which, after removing the backlight, is actually clear. So you can see right through it. And the best part is, if I hold it here, get it in the back, so you can actually see through it. Here we go. Come on. Let me get in a good position. This is really uncomfortable for my foot. A second. Okay, so now you can see the stuff behind it. Now if I plug this in, it's plugged in there. Hold it. See it in black. Get some text. You can still see through it. And yeah, it works. It's a transparent display that's full color that I made myself, which is pretty cool.